how to fix Telegram code SMS fee problem. So if you want to fix your Telegram code SMS fee problem, then what you need to do is first, you need to uninstall your Telegram application. Once you uninstall, you need to open up your Play Store and then go with your search. And under search, you need to search for Telegram and install your Telegram application again. Once you've done that, you need to log in and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that your app is up to date. Because if you don't have the app updated, then you might find this kind of problems. Once you've updated the application, you can go with Google and you need to search for Telegram Help Center and then tap on telegram.org support, and it will take you to the support section, which looks like this. Now you need to describe your problem. You need to write that I'm facing problems with the Telegram code SMS fee, and then you need to enter your full legal name and your user email ID and then your phone number and verify. And once you've done, you need to go with submit, and after submitting, Telegram will come back to you and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.